Hello everyone and welcome back to video 5 of Python series. And in the last video, we decoded functions and recursions. And today we are stepping into two powerful core data structure in Python, which is strings and lists. Almost every real world software, whether it is an app, tracking your playlist, or a system filtering user text, relies heavily on these two structures. Today we will master strings indexing, slicing, and comparison, and then dive deep into lists, membership operators, nested lists, and list operations. Plus, we are going to code two very important problems checking if a string is palindrome without using loops, and second, finding the second largest number in the list. So, this is going to be a very highly practical session. So, open your laptops and let's get started. So, first, let's talk about strings. A string is simply a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. In Python, strings are immutable, meaning once you create a string, you cannot change its character individually. Python treats string like arrays, where each character has an index starting from 0. Python also supports negative indexing, where -1 represents the last character. And let's understand the string slicing, which allows you to extract a specific part of a string using the syntax, like I am writing the syntax in the strings and list, like syntax.py, yeah, right? Text is equals to like Python programming, and to print, I have to print the first six characters. First six characters. Okay. So now I will do like text 06. Okay. And now I am running this. Yeah, see, first six characters like one, two, three, four, five, six. So Python got printed. And negative slicing example is like print like last seven characters I want to print. And like last seven characters, text and -7. Yeah, like this. Yeah. See, yeah, the last seven characters are RA double M. Yeah, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now I am going to print, I am going to slicing with steps like skipping the characters. Like print alternate characters with characters like text 0, 12, and 2. I'm running this. Yeah, see, PTOPOR. Okay. So if I want the ultimate Python trick is to reverse a string in the Python, we do it like that. I want to say like reverse text is equals to -1 print reverse reverse string comma reverse text, and I am running. Yeah, see, all the text got reversed. See, so see how easy it is to manipulate text using slicing. No loops required. Let's move towards our first program, in which we have to write a program to enter a string and check if it is a palindrome or not without using a loop. A palindrome is a word that reads the same backward as forward, like radar or madam. So now let's move towards the code. I'm making the new file name palindrome. Okay. So now I'm taking input, user input, and saying enter a string. And now string is equals to user string dot lower user input. Sorry. User input. Yeah, user input dot lower, and my reverse string reverse string is equals to clean string and reverse the string. And if my clean string is equals to my reverse string, then then it is palindrome. And so I am printing that my user input is a palindrome. Oh, I'm writing. Sorry. It is print, and else I am printing that my user input is not a palindrome. Yeah. So let's run this. Yeah. For example, firstly, I'm taking a palindrome. Madam. Yeah. Madam is a palindrome. And now I am entering a string which is not a palindrome. For example, I'm entering my name. Yeah, see, Abhinav is not a palindrome name. See, just a single line, this one, that clean string, replaces an entire for or while loop logic. This is why the Python is called a developer friendly language. So let's now deep dive into the lists. Now let's move to list. Unlike strings, lists are mutable, meaning you can change, add, or delete elements after creation. A list can hold items of different data types together. So let's look at key list operations, which is length and membership testing in operator, concatenation, and deletion. Let's jump into the code. I'm making new thing like I'm I create like a functions of like lists Like firstly, I am creating a list. For example, like I am creating a list of fruits. Then my fruits is equals to like apple and like banana and like cherry and like orange. And like if I want the length of my list, then print total fruits like like length of my list. Yeah, I like that. And now I'm running this. Yeah, see, total fruits four means I am entering four fruits in it. Our list: apple, banana, cherry, and orange. And now I am membership operator in and in like print like is banana present my list. Yeah, so I am basically do like that comma that banana in fruits. Yeah, so see, yeah, it will return true if my this fruit is present in my list, then it will return true. If it is not, then it will return false. Now adding my elements like fruits dot append, like I want to like kiwi and fruits dot insert icon one comma mango. It will add at index one, and now I am printing my updated list. Yeah, fruits. Yeah, now see. Yeah, see. Apple, mango, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi. Now all the things are added in my list, and now if I want to delete the elements, like I use like fruits dot pop, it will remove the last item from my list. And if I and last item, for example, kiwi is to delete. Oh, no, no, after that, yes. If I print it after my pop, then yeah. See, firstly, there is kiwi, and afterwards, when I use this fruits dot pop, then my kiwi fruit removed. And if I want to remove at the specific index, then I will do like delete fruits. Yeah, and printing the same. Yeah. Now earlier kiwi is there, and when I use fruits.pop, then kiwi removed. And when I delete fruit at my zero index, then see, apple is removed. So these are all the things. So we almost have nested lists, which are simply list inside a list, perfect for representing data tables or matrices. For example, like like matrix is equals to like 1 comma 2 and like 3 comma 4. So I am printing assessing like assessing row 0, comma, column 1. And matrix 0 and 1. So see, my output is 2. Row 0 and column 1. So this element is got printed. Yeah, now we'll move to our second problem. It is a favorite interview question we are bound to run into. Find the second largest number in a list, but here is the catch. You are not allowed to use built-in sort method or the max function. Let's crack this with a super fast and optimized logic. Yeah, we will create two tracking variables, largest and second largest, initializing both to negative infinity. Then we loop through the list and check each number one by one. Let's move to our code. Second largest. Yeah, like I have numbers like 12, 45, like 7, like 89, like 45, like 23, 89, and 67. Yeah, and my largest is equals to second largest is equals to flow of minus in and for number in numbers, and if my number is greater than the largest, then my second largest is equals to the largest, and my largest is equals to my number. Else if my number is greater than second largest and my number is does not equals to largest. So in that I will do like second largest is equals to my num, and I am printing that my second largest num is, yeah. So see, the second largest number in my list is 67. Yeah, see, the second largest number is 67. So if a new number is bigger than our current largest, the old largest drops down to become the second largest, and the new number takes the top spot. And if there is a duplicate, so here you can see that 89 is appearing twice. So our condition list that num does not is equals to largest condition safely skips it. So now let's summarize the vital concepts we conquered today. The strings are ordered collections of characters and are immutable. String slicing is a powerful way to extract or reverse text without running loops. Lists are mutable collections that can be stored mixed data types, and we can manipulate lists using methods like append, insert, and pop. And the today's bonus challenge. Time for your daily brain booster. Here is the challenge that I am giving you a program to enter a list of numbers and print a new list containing only the even numbers from the original list. So now let's do it. even firstly, my numbers are containing 12, 7, 9, 24, 5, 18, and 3. And my even numbers list is empty. And for in numbers, if if any number is having the remainder when divided by 2 is equals to 0, then it means that it is even. So I will append this into my, I will append that number into my even numbers list. Yeah, so now I am printing my original list, which is my numbers, and printing my even list, even numbers. Yeah. So see, even numbers are 12, 24, 18. Yeah. See, my original list is 12, 7, 9, 24, 5, 18, 3, and my even list is 12, 24, and 18. So yeah, if you crack this logic instantly, leave a comment saying list masters down below. So that's wrap up with our lecture 5, and you are now fully confident with strings and lists. So in our lecture 6, we will wrap up our tuples and dictionary. Then we will step up into the most awaited video of Introduction to Object Oriented Programming. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to keep up with the playlist, and share this with your college squad. And keep practicing, keep coding, and I will see you in lecture 6.